Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here mega pack of Flair for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, some files for Microsoft Office. Okay, but these are protected. First you need subscription for all access of my file. Go to sherryskpwd.com and buy now for lifetime, just one time payment, and then you have access of all file here. Fashion and DJ party flare in PSD for Photoshop. Total 10 file, and total size of these folder are these files 14.7 GB and 1215 files. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress it in single part, roughly 4 GB plus something. Here 84 PSD files of multi-purpose flares you can redesign in Photoshop. I know you can do better. Okay, next here 100 files, I mean folders, 5.49, and okay, amazing. Here for InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Microsoft Office. That's mean 4 different format: audio, beat, flare, PSD, and AI. Here 2 different format. Okay, auto repair flare A4, and here letter size. Barber shop. These are not JPG files. These are PSD. You see. Okay. Okay. Barbershop poster, social media kit. Okay, and Facebook cover, scare format image. Okay, baseball flare, PSD. Okay, corporate flare. Open this one in Photoshop and you see CMYK color. That's mean you can print. QR code, icon set, image, you can import your image, change everything like this one. Okay, now next, flare text tree, gym flare with 2 different categories. For InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, and for Photoshop, medical flare. Amazing. Here 23 files: travel, Umrah flare, yoga, travel, sensitive school party flare, PSD, and you can customize in Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of my all file. Take care. Allah Hafiz.